Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Chromography is simple if you understand polarity. We must find a replacement mobile phase that keeps results identical. Let's begin. First, look at the original setup where the chemist used a mixture of nonpolar liquids. This means the mobile phase is nonpolar, so it attracts other nonpolar molecules during the separation. To get similar results, our new solvent must also be nonpolar. If we switch to a polar liquid, the pigments would move differently and the retention factors would change completely now. Hexane, option A, is a nonpolar hydrocarbon. It matches our original phase perfectly, making it the correct choice for this chemistry experiment. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given nonpolar rule to find your answer.